Module Overview. Rhythm is the heartbeat of music. This module immerses you in the art of rhythmic dictation, the ability to identify, transcribe, and reproduce rhythmic patterns purely by listening. Rhythm involves more than beats and time signatures. It encompasses pulse, subdivision, syncopation, meter, and expressive timing, rubato, swing feel, etc. You will explore Western and non-Western rhythmic traditions, learn how to recognize complex rhythmic phrases, and train their internal metronome. This module builds a keen rhythmic ear, enabling students to sight read accurately, transcribe with precision, and perform with rhythmic integrity. 1. What is rhythm? Rhythm is the temporal structure of music. It defines how sounds are organized in time and perceived through repetition, duration, and accents. Rhythm can exist independently of pitch, making it a universal language in all musical traditions. Core elements: pulse, the underlying steady beat; meter, grouping of beats, duple, triple, compound; tempo, speed of the beat, measured in BPM; duration, length of notes and rests; accent, emphasis placed on particular beat; subdivision, division of beats into smaller rhythmic units. 2. Understanding beat, tempo, and meter. Beat, the regular unit of time in music, e.g., the ticking of a clock. Tempo, measured in beats per minute. BPM, it determines how fast or slow the beat moves. Meter, how beats are grouped, indicated by a time signature, for example, 4/4, 6/8, 5/4. Time signatures, simple meter. Beat divides into two, e.g., 2/4, 2/2, 3/4, 4/4. Compound meter, beat divides into three, e.g., 3, 6/8, 9/8, 12/8. Asymmetrical meter, irregular beat groupings, e.g., 5/8, 7/8. 3. Note, values and rests, symbol, note, name beats in 4, 4/4, note 1 beat, 1/8, note, half beat, half note 2 beats, whole note 4 beats, 16th, note 1/4 beat. Each note has a corresponding rest symbol indicating silence for the same duration. 4. Rhythmic dictation strategies. Internalize the pulse. Tap along with the beat before identifying rhythms. Chunking. Break the rhythm into smaller rhythmic motifs or measures. Use rhythmic syllables, such as te, tai, tai, te, a, te, ke, tai, ke. Listen multiple times. First for the rhythm shape, then for subdivision. Notate approximate durations, then refine on a second hearing. Rhythmic dictation is not about writing quickly. It's about accurate listening and translation of sound into visual notation.
5. Clapping and body percussion. Physicalizing rhythm helps internalize it. Techniques include clapping to reinforce beat, accents, and subdivisions, tapping foot to maintain tempo consistency, speaking rhythms, using Kodali, Gordon, or Takadimi systems. Takadimi system, used widely in music education. Ta equals beat. Ta-di equals 2 equal parts. Ta-ka-di-mi equals 4 equal parts.
6. Ties, dots, and syncopation. Tied notes. Connect 2 notes into one longer duration. Dotted notes. Add half of the note's value, e.g., dotted quarter equals 1.5 beats. Syncopation, accenting weak beats or off beats, creating tension. Syncopation challenges traditional metrical expectations. Common in jazz, Afro-Caribbean rhythms, funk, and pop. Classical compositions, especially 20th century. 7. Tuplets and irregular subdivisions. Tuplets allow dividing beats into irregular subdivisions. Triplets, 3 notes in the time of 2 quintuplets. Septuplets, 5 or 7 notes in the time of 4 or 2. These require extensive listening and vocalization practice to master. 8. Polyrhythm and cross-rhythm. Polyrhythm, 2 or more rhythmic patterns occurring simultaneously, often with different subdivisions, e.g., 3-2, 4-3. Cross-rhythm, a rhythmic pattern that conflicts with the underlying meter. Example, in Afrobeat, 12/8 can be layered with a 4/4 groove, creating a polyrhythmic texture. These concepts are essential for ensemble playing, drumming, and music from African, Latin, and Indian traditions. 9. Developing an internal metronome. Musicians must maintain tempo without external guidance. Techniques. Practice with a metronome and gradually remove it. Clap along with recorded music, focusing on consistency. Tap subdivisions silently while singing or playing. Use breathing patterns to align musical phrasing with rhythm 10. Applications in musicianship sight reading. Interpreting rhythms correctly at first glance. Ensemble performance. Staying in time with others. Composition, creating interesting rhythmic motifs. Improvisation, adding syncopation and rhythmic complexity. Conducting, communicating beat patterns clearly.